enjoying your shower?
No, because the handcuff is stuck.
You're gonna have to help me fold all of these clothes.
What? I will take these handcuffs. It's Nala and Katie, yo.
Yo, welcome back to Nala and Caden's world. Today, I'm gonna do the 24-hour handcuff challenge. I'm gonna be handcuffed to Caden. Handcuffs actually come with a key, and I don't know what they did with the key. Like unlocks on its own here. This little thingy right here. Caden doesn't know that, so it works in my advantage anyways. I'm about to handcuff myself first. Let's go see how this gonna work. Bye. Caden.
Huh?
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
He's actually in the bathroom, y'all.
We're doing a video?
Yeah, man, we doing a video of you in the bathroom. Let me see your hand.
So you gonna put me in jail?
Put you in jail? Nope.
You're trying to put me in jail.
I ain't gonna put you in jail. Let me see your hand.
No, no.
You are gonna be in handcuffs with mommy for 24 hours.
No.
We're gonna follow each other around with handcuffs.
Oh. Guys, I need to put on my pants with these handcuffs. Guys, you need to get out the bathroom because I'm doodling.
Ew.
Guys, I just doodle in the toilet. Look.
Oh my gosh, nobody wants to see that. All right, I'm gonna cut. All right.
Guys, this is totally nasty. I need to get out the bathroom.
This is pretty gross.
And wash it all. So how is this gonna handcuff this gonna work? We're gonna totally fight together.
All right, so we're gonna have to be in these handcuffs all day, and I'm actually gonna be taking them to the beach soon. You think we can handle this challenge?
Yes. So mommy, so we're gonna walk. 1, 2, 3.
So
1, 2, 3.
first of all, before we go anywhere, all of these toys need to be picked up.
So let's pick up the toys together.
Well, I'm not gonna pick it up. I just gotta have my hand there with you. Pick it up. Pick up these toys. I gotta make my tea, so
We're gonna be stuck in the handcuffs while you're making tea.
yep. Come on. You're in my way. Well, I gotta get this stringer. What's that? That's tea?
That's water.
Who made that tea for you?
That's water. Comment below how you never be stuck in handcuffs.
Alright, yeah, y'all, so
So we're gonna be
I drank a little bit of my tea.
Now
Still
we're
handcuffed.
So we're gonna stuck in the handcuffs while we put it on our shirt.
So we gotta go get dressed. We gotta go get dressed to go to the beach. You'll see us after we get dressed. We are dressed. Caden's dressed. Nala is dressed. Say hey, Nala. Caden says that he wants to drive, and he wants to be the one driving since we're handcuffed.
I really want to drive. Hey, we're at the beach now. Mommy, the water feels relaxing.
We are about to do what, Caden?
A slime video. Mommy, I'm opening it.
You gotta wait, it's coming out. This is gonna be some crazy colors.
Yeah, it do look like a rainbow.
That's how it came out.
Look at all
It came out pretty good. Alright guys, so we are back from the beach. Did you have fun?
Yeah. I'm kind of wet right now.
He has to go take a shower. I don't know how this handcuff gonna work. So we are handcuffed. Caden, are you enjoying your shower?
No, because the handcuff is stuck.
They're out the shower and we're handcuffed. They're eating cereal for lunch because that's what they wanted. So, and I'm over here eating my sandwich.
Guys, my mom's about to take a bath.
Since we're still handcuffed,
I'm gonna throw water on you.
you're gonna have to help me fold all of these clothes.
But, what? I will take these handcuffs off. The handcuffs is on so I can't fold.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Oh! We are at Publix right now. See, handcuffs.
Handcuffs?
So, how do you like being handcuffed in Publix?
Mommy. Yeah, I like being handcuffed in public.
We're back home. Say hey, Kaden.
Hi.
You did good for your 24 hours. Well, it wasn't a whole 24 hours, but we've been handcuffed all day, so. Kaden, you did good. Good job. Now you get to be released. He's not even paying attention. He's watching.
Now I can pay for another candy.
Yeah, you get $1. I told him he could get $1 if he stays in this challenge all day. So, yeah. So, did you like being in this challenge with me? Kaden, did you like being handcuffed to me all day?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Mom, your camera almost about to die.
Yeah, I know. Did you have fun?
Yeah, your camera's now full of energy. It's about to die.
Yeah, I know. So, camera's about to die. You gotta go charge it. Alright, Kaden, say bye.
Bye.
But take these handcuffs off. We're done for the day. Nala, say bye. Bye-bye. Alright, we out.